Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Thor wallet application on your iPhone. So let's get started. Open your App Store and search for Thor wallet in the search box. Once you find the search result, once you get to the search result, look for this application from BlockTech. Simply go ahead and tap on the Get button and your download should begin. Wait until the download is completed and then once it is, tap on the Open button to launch Open Thor wallet for your iPhone. You can then go ahead and create a new wallet or import an existing wallet from the backup and get started with it. Thor wallet is used to store, send and receive cryptocurrencies. So that is how you can easily download Thor wallet for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.